if you have Callisto coins, CLO or clock coins, and you own a ledger, well, now the ledger has own Callisto or CLO wallet. The idea of this video is we're going to install Callisto on the ledger, and also I'm going to teach you how to transfer all those Callisto that you have right now, piggyback into the Ethereum Classic. If you have owned Ethereum Classic for a while already, maybe you have the half fork and you have this clock together with your Ethereum Classic address. Or most of the people like me, a lot of people with the mining clock together with Ethereum Classic. Like me, mining Ethereum, mining a clock coin into Ethereum Classic right in this wallet. But what we're going to do now, we're going to remove that out. We're going to create our own account. We're going to have our own wallet for clock. That way you can either mine into that address, or you'll be ready for November 1st when the half fork is coming up, when you can have cold storage. You will make an interest out of those coins that you're going to leave there for a while for cold storage. So we're going to cover all those things out. It's pretty simple to do, and the video shows it's fast and easy to do it. And actually took me a while to figure out how we can get all those coins out. This is pretty tricky. We need to play around, but after that we'll be nice and safe into your own wallet, the cloud wallet, and then now you can do whatever you want with your Ethereum Classic. So remember, always you own the ledger, you have the clocks in your hand. So if anything happen and you not send it to the moon and you send it to some other universe, well, you're responsible for it. So let me show you right now. Let me give you the instructions. Very simple. Thank you. Before we proceed with the installation, I need to make sure you run the latest version of the latest firmware, version 1.4.2. In case you don't have that version, right below this video, I will leave you a link so you can follow those instructions before we're going to be installing Callisto. Now, for Callisto requires three things. You need to have Bitcoin installed, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, before we can install Callisto. Now, there is a possibility you're going to be running out of space or there's too many installations, so you have to delete. You will have to delete something. If you have Litecoin, you have to delete Litecoin. If you have Repo, you have to delete Repo. The only thing installed there is going to be those three, plus you'll be installing now Callisto. Pretty simple. When you install is done, you just follow the instructions right in your Nano when you install in the USB. And that's pretty simple. Now, if you wonder, Dario, if I delete Litecoin, I'm going to delete all the Litecoins at there? No, because the ledger is only a window to the blockchain. So all your address is attached to the C. So even if you delete it out of the ledger, when you put it back, all your balance are coming back. If you want to learn more about that, the same video that teach you how to upgrade, I will go over and I show you when I delete some of the coins, I put it back again. So it's nothing happened, but you will have to, because you will be running out of space. It will not allow you to install Callisto. So we proceed the installation, and now we move to the next section, how we're going to get this Callisto into my new wallet. So now I will leave you the link for this. We need to go into the Ethereum Classic wallet. So do not search for this. Let me give you the link, or if you have the link already, I will say this link, always keep it in your favorites in your browser, because if you search again, sometimes the search it bring you to the wrong site. So right now we see I have Ethereum Classic, Callisto, and like I said before, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Require those to have the full installation. So the first thing we need to do now is create a Callisto address. So that's the first thing we need to do now. So we're going to click Ledger. We're going to connect. So we're going to press the two buttons on the Ledger, and then we connect. Sometimes I do backwards, but you need to require, so you'll see. You press there. Choose now. There, and as we see there, I already have 20 because I'm trying. Your first address, all those addresses are all your new address for your Callisto. So in my case, I use in the first one. I'm going to press there. We notice in the tab, it's already showing Callisto Network. It's been selected. So we click there and we unlock the wallet. You have to remember in this side, they click Callisto Network 3.0, not the test node. So when I click there, you're gonna copy that address later on, because that's the address we need to transfer everything. So we need to go we need to go backwards. We need to create an address, and then we go come back and send all this out. And I did a few transfers already, and it's working fine. So let's choose that. Let's unlock. Look at the address now. We see in the side, as you see there, I have 20, nothing else. We're gonna copy that address in case I'm gonna use one address. Copy it over. You can paste it right in your desktop somewhere. In my case, I pressed it before. I'm always compare in case you have anything on your computer that's been changed an address. I always compare, please. So we got that. Fine. So now we're gonna exit this out. We save it out. So now we need to go to the different network. So we're gonna go back into the beginning, into the main wallet. So I clicked right there. Says me back from the beginning. We click send and receive. All right, we click send and receive. We're gonna choose Ledger. But now, once again, we're gonna choose CLO network 3.0 Callisto network. We're gonna choose that one. We click on it. Okay, but now we activate Callisto, we connect, and we see there, but instead to choose Callisto network there, let's look in the tab. We're going to be choosing now Ethereum Classic. That's the secret right over there. We're going to choose Ethereum Classic. That's pretty important. We choose Ethereum Classic. This took me a while to figure out all these things. It's simple now. So and you see now my balance now, I have 2,000. You see how it changed now? But these are piggyback to my Ethereum Classic account. So we need to unlock it. Just the video didn't show me that part, but right in the bottom it says unlock. So we're gonna unlock that now. Perfect. So now we see they have some Ethereum Classic, 41 Ethereum Classic, and I have my CLO, my clock count, my Callisto coins. So now we're gonna transfer. So the address. So we're gonna transfer some. We're gonna put there. We're gonna put the address of Callisto. Remember when we did that in the beginning? We saved that. That's my new address. The next step, we're going to put the amount. In this case, we're going to put 10, and we're going to transfer. Later on, when I create this video, I transfer the whole rest, and it was probably my gas, just to let you know. And what I did, I put the gas at 2,200, and I was able to transfer my rest. The rest was about 2,000. So we see there, because I did that a try, so this, and we're going to transfer now from my Ethereum Classic address to my Callisto. It took me a while to figure out this thing, going all the networks and trying this, and finally it's so simple to do it. So now that's it. So now we're gonna exit back again. We're gonna go back from the beginning. Let's see if it's there. So now send and receive. You can also view if you want. We're gonna choose again Callisto network 3.0. We connect to the wallet. So again, we hit the two buttons on the ledger. We connect. And if you see there now, that's it. Now I have 30. You see, now I have my 30 Callisto. Because in this case, now I'm truly on the Callisto network. I'm not in the Ethereum Classic. Now, if you need to view Ethereum Classic, we go back from the beginning. Now we choose Ethereum Classic. We send and receive, we connect to the ledger, we connect back again, but we're going to exit application and we move to Ethereum Classic right there. Now we connect, and now we see my Ethereum Classic address. It's not going to show me the Callisto, see it show me right there. So you see now the balance over there. Now to transfer, I need to exit, and when repeat, we repeat by the cycle again. I will say try that to send first 10, 20, whatever balance you have there. And when you prove everything is fine, then you could go back and send out the rest. So with this, we conclude the video. Now you know how to transfer your Callisto from Ethereum Classic to the new address. So now you'll be ready for the hard fork coming up in November. Now, right below this video, if this was helpful, and now everything is clear how to transfer your Callisto, right below this video, I will put my Callisto address to say thank you. And I'll see you next time. Bye.